Vivekananda Kendra Shiksha Prasad Vibhag had organized a drama competition of Srimanta Shankardev Natya Samaroh. It was 6th Srimanta Shankardev Natya Samaroh at Golaghat. BKB Shuklai was one of the participant school, and I am very delighted to inform you all that BKB Shuklai could beg 3rd position in this competition, whereas 26 Vidyalayas were present. In the inauguration program, a renowned Bollywood actress Seema Biswasji was present there. The play which our student performed, the name Khirki, it was directed by Jitumoni Kalita from Nalbari. Under the guidance of our teachers, parents, and all the persons, those who are behind the stage, I would like to thank them for their contribution and efforts. This honor brings pride to the school and the Shukla area of Tambulpur district. I once again would like to thank each and every one, those who have contributed to achieve this award for our school. Still I remember in the year 2008, we could score first place in Aryabhatta Anusandhanmulak Prakalpa. And after that, after a long gap, again our student could beg such prizes in BKSPB level. But during these many years, no doubt our school in state level, district level, and even national level, they have performed well and they get so many prizes. But in BKSPB level, it was a long gap. So once again, I thank each and everyone, those who have contributed. Thank you.